This is a used 2001 Dodge Grand Caravan. Grab life by the horns. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include a premium sound system, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Jack Kane Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3405 Lexington Road, Versailles, Kentucky 40383.